Hello guys, it's Tony, and today I'm going to be showing you guys something very interesting. So what you're looking at here right now is a Java program that's meant to calculate how much you can make when making a 15% return on investment every month in the while trading in the forex market. So you can see that this is the formula for compounding interest, right? Your interest, your total amount that you make is equal to, let's call this amount, total amount that you make is equal to the principal, which was your initial investment, bracket 1 plus your rate, the rate at which you make. And the rate, our rate here is 15% every month, right? Which is very okay for me, trading at a lot size of 0.01. And then the months, the amount of months. Okay, so now what we did here was that we doubled amount, principal, rate, and then we included our formula over here. This was our formula, and then what the system is going to do is to print out the month and the amount to make. So let's quickly run this program, and there we have it. So let's scroll up a little bit. And what we are seeing here right now is our interest for the first month. Remember, these are compounding interest over time. So you can see for the first month we have we invested 10,000, and we have a rate of 15% per month, which is 0.15. So looking here, we have 10% in the first, 15% in the first month, which is 11,500 naira, and to the second month we have 13,224 naira. Remember, this is a compounding interest. So in the first month you're going to make the 15%, and the second month you're going to make 15% of the total amount, including the 50% that was added before. So on the third month we have 15,208 naira. So let's skip over to the first year, which is the 12th month, right? We have 53,502 naira, and this is not a joke, guys. It's real. It's a program, and it's telling me how much I'm going to make if I invest 10,000 naira as a principal, and then I'm making 15% over a month in forex. That's a return on investment of 15% per month, right? And I don't take that money out. I keep investing that amount becomes my new principal, and then I invest again and I get another 15% the next month, right? In the first year I have 53,502 naira, and let's skip over to this. Went all the way from 53,502 to 286,251 naira in the second year. Everything exploded, right? Now let's look at the third year, which is the 36th month. We have 1.5 million, 1,531,518. It can be naira, it can be dollars, whatever you guys invested initially, right? 1,531,000. You can see that right over here. 1,531,518 on the third year, right? On the fourth year we have what, which is the 48th month, right? We have 8,194,000, right? Guys, these are what bankers do with your money when you invest 10,000 naira into your account, right? And you keep it over 3 years, right? On the fourth year, a banker has made 8,194,000 naira from your money, and you're not even giving any part of it. You're not giving any interest, nothing. Your account still remains like that. The only difference is that you can take out that money anytime. But if you look at it on the overall, bankers always have more amount of money in their accounts than more people actually take out, right? And in the 48th month you have 8,194,000, guys. Just 10,000. What's 10,000, guys? This is real. This is what is happening right now in the account. And I showed you guys my demo account, which I made more than 15% in just 1 month plus. I made more than 30% in just 1 month plus, not even up to 2 months, guys. So to tell you that this is very possible, trading on the lowest, the fifth year is what, 43,839,987 naira, guys. This is so much amount of money in just 5 years of constantly trading on a lot size of 0.01, making a 15% return on investment every month for 5 years constantly. And then you have 43,839,000. This is so much money, I can't even say it, guys. And we are actually on this part, guys. We are currently in the 2nd year now, and we are going down to the 5th year. So if you're not invested yet, you better learn forex trading now and start investing in yourself as a forex trader, because in 5 years time you still probably receive that salary of 150,000 per month that you're receiving. Trading doesn't take your time. It takes just 15 minutes every day to trade, and then you set a stop loss and you take profits. If you don't want to watch the trade, you just go out of the market and it's over, guys. You'll be making 15% every month once you're trading consistently for 5 years on a constant return on investment of 15%, guys. This is incredible, and if you're not on it now, then you better get on it, because in the next 5 years you probably receive that 150,000 salary that you are receiving. But if you start up now and invest 15 minutes of your day, and also 10,000, a minimum amount of 10,000 naira. And guys, I even have a broker that gives you 10,000 naira. This broker gives you 10,000 naira as a deposit gift. The moment you register on the account and verify your account, they give you 10,000 as deposit gift. So you don't even need to invest any amount initially. All you need to do is to learn forex trading and start trading. And where you can learn forex trading the best way at the cheapest price possible is at Vent Academy, guys. Vent Academy is the place to learn forex trading. So if you're not there right now, jump on there and jump over to our community where we give free signals, free analysis, and whatever you need to learn at forex trading. We give the assistance, we give the support, everything for free, guys. We are designed to make you make this 43 million naira in 5 years. It's not a joke, guys. It's real and it's happening. These are what the bankers, the institutions, these are what they do with your money. So if you're not here, it's a secret that you should start investing now. Just start investing now, guys. There's no other thing I have to say but start investing. All right, guys, thank you very much, and that's what I have for you today.